this is the last one. I don't want it to end. This has been so much fun. Hello and thank you for clicking on this video. We have a package to open today from Silk Naturals. This has been one of my favorite companies for years that is all natural, and they were having a big discontinued sale. Some of my favorite brands have been having discontinued sales and I have no money now, but I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, it's kind of just wrapped in tissue paper, so I'm just going to pull it right out of the bag here. First up is a eyeshadow in the color High Res. That is so pretty though. I mean, just look at the pigment on that. It's so shimmery. I love that. All right, so this is their eye color in Burnout. Yes, these are discontinued, but hopefully this is still a fun video for you guys just to watch and see like what their packaging and products are like and how their products function. I've always been really impressed with the quality of these products. Not everything I got was from their discontinued sale, so anything else will be linked down below. So that second one is Burnout, a really beautiful, it almost looks like an antique bronze color, which just makes me love it even more, with a fine shimmer. The shimmer itself actually looks reddish, but it's very fine, so it just kind of gives this duochrome effect. Really beautiful. Super happy with these colors so far. Also, how pretty is this combination just like right now? It's good. It's good stuff. Okay. All of my videos are not sponsored. I don't know if I actually have to say that because I'm not large enough a channel to actually be sponsored yet. But so right now you know for sure that my opinions are all my own. Nobody's telling me to say anything. I really do hope to grow this channel and at some point be sponsored by companies that I do love and really support. But you can rest easy knowing that all of my opinions are and always will be my own. I cannot be bought. Because the whole point of this channel is to for you guys to be able to trust the products that I'm bringing to you. Alrighty, moving on to the next eye color in Lagoon. So far, all of these eyeshadows have been really beautifully pigmented, and they don't use, some of their products do have artificial dye. You just take a quick look at the ingredients. Everything is really easy to find when you go and look at a product on their website. They're very open and honest about it, but I believe all of these ones I am using today, all of these eyeshadows are dye-free and just use mica and tin oxide pigments. So there's Lagoon, absolutely gorgeous teal. I really love the way that one actually pairs really nicely. It complements my skin tone. So I'm really excited to try that one in some fun, colorful look. I do have a few tutorials or transformation videos, so if you want to check those out, look at this playlist here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can stay on top of fun looks using all of the best products that you can find these days. This is their Velvet Matte Lipstick in the color Mortar. Even though this color is discontinued, you can just see the quality of the lipstick. I'm going to try it on right now. And they have other matte lipsticks available. Mortar is a brown, because why not? But this dark brown is just like, it's still very dark, but it has a little bit warmer tone to it. Yeah, that I feel is actually quite complementary to my skin tone. So if you find that black lipsticks might be too harsh for your skin tone, then getting a brown one might actually work really well. These still feel creamy. It doesn't feel too different from their normal lipsticks, but I am planning on doing a comparison video on different companies' matte lipsticks. And so we'll do more research then as to how it wears and how long it lasts and all that fun stuff. So again, remember to subscribe so that you can be on top of when that video comes out and get to see me compare a bunch of different natural, trustworthy brands of lipsticks. All right, moving on, we have Godet. I believe that's how that's pronounced. So this is much darker. Next up, right, I did get an essential here, Oil Control Primer. This company is not vegan. Some of their products are, and you can actually filter. They have a lot of filters on their webpage so that you can look basically exactly for what you're looking for, including their vegan products. But they are called Silk Naturals because they do use silk in some of their products. And personally, I am a big fan of silk. And before this company, I had no idea that using it on your skin could actually be so nice. And it's very smoothing and it makes your skin feel very, very soft. That's what it looks like. It's just their translucent version. Yeah, super soft. Again, I'll be doing another review video, comparison video of different primers or finishes, powder primers or finishes for oil control, and be comparing those and determining which one is the best, at least for my skin. So again, don't forget to subscribe so that you can know when that video comes out as well. All right, the next eyeshadow I got is called Flash. Oh, that's really pretty. Really is just like the perfect champagne color. Look how pretty that is. I love that. Super happy that I got that. So this one is Foxtrot. This is very like mermaid aqua color. Look at that. There's so many fun colors for me to play with. What could be next? Here we've got an eye color called Guru. Guru. I don't know why that pronunciation sounded really funny to me. It's a powder blue eyeshadow base. Wow, that shimmer to it is actually hard to explain. It's kind of lavender, kind of gold pink. And this is definitely a lot more sheer than the other ones. You can kind of see that sheen to it. So moving on to the second lipstick that I got from them in the color called Snakebite. And I had to try it because it is a matte lipstick, but it is metallic. All right, here I am, Demon Eyes again, because I just really wanted you guys to see what this looks like. So that is ridiculously fun. I really, really love this, and I love that it has like a purple blue tinge to it. So moving on to the next product, it is another eye color called Miranda. Ooh. Yeah. Another really gorgeous color. I think we're getting down to the last couple here. This is another eye color in Shrug. And I think this might have actually been their freebie. What they do is they give you like a slightly smaller size eyeshadow as a freebie with your order. So I think this is a freebie actually, and it is a really pretty kind of dusty mauve with a very subtle shimmer. I really like that. That looks like a very wearable, everyday type of color. Yet another eye color. Yes, I got a bunch. In the color Imperial. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. A little bit of color, but without being too crazy. Imperial, Shrug, Miranda, High Res, Burnout, Lagoon, Godet, Flash, Foxtrot, and Guru. Oh goodness. Okay, so we had kind of a big eyeshadow haul today from Silk Naturals. Really, really happy with all these colors. I am so excited to try these out. I'm also really excited to take this out somewhere fun, and really, really happy with all these colors. They're really gorgeous. Seriously, guys. They have a huge selection of eyeshadows, blushes, lipsticks, so their link to their website will be down below, and go have fun. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated on all the things and the videos I'll have coming out soon that we talked about today, and just stick around for more fun. So thank you very much for being here and for being awesome, and I will see you next time. Hello, and thank you for clicking on this video. We have a package to unopen today, and wow, what? Ooh, I just sprayed glitter everywhere. When that, okay, there is, yep. They call it a burgundy, and I definitely really like how it's definitely a, wow, how many times did I just say definitely? Oh wait, shoot. No, what was that? No, wait, that was that one. Oh, gosh dang it, start over again.